Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or display the accent color on title bars and window borders on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the personalization tile on this page. On the left panel underneath personalization, you want to select where it says colors. And then on the right side, scroll down to the bottom where it says show accent color on the following surfaces. Check mark where it says title bars and window borders. And that's all you have to do if you wanted to revert it back. Just uncheck it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.